and I'm getting mighty tired of your trifling ways and of listening
I
to
ordered
that
some
jackass
end
brain.
links from Ryker mods. And in this video will be a Cliff Notes video of me installing my end links on my Ryker Rally.
For all time's sake. As time goes by.
Right now it's part of the installation where I have a bolt, there's a washer, then you put another washer and then the nut. You know, I'm installing it. It's kind of tight with my big fingers. It was kind of hard to get in there, but I eventually got it in there.
Some of the old songs. For all time's sake. As time goes by. Been a long time. Some of the old songs. For all time's sake. As time goes by. It's been a long time.
So now I took a set of vice grips and I, kind of latched it on the bolt. And on the front part, I have a 10mm socket wrench that I use to tighten up the links.
For all time's sake. As time goes by.
And this is the end result. End links installed, nice and tight and ready to ride.
It's been a long time.